So over the years, Porsche Exchange always has some of the best Porsches in the Chicagoland area. And lately they've had a beautiful collection, or for sale, or just people dropping by and visiting the dealership. But lately I've seen a lot of Porsche Carrera GTs. Check this out, guys. I'm gonna post a couple of videos from their Instagram page, and it's pretty unique. Some of them are awesome. There's an orange one that I absolutely love. You know what? Just check this out. You're gonna love it.
Alright guys, which Porsche is your favorite in this video? From their Cars and Coffee to the Carrera GTs. Drop a comment below and let me know what is your favorite Porsche. Or what is your favorite car of all time? I'm just curious to see what my audience likes. What cars do you guys like? Muscle, exotics,
classics, JDMs, I don't know. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Take care.